Picture this. You're weaving through a crowded airport, balancing your carry-on, passport, and a half-finished coffee, trying to beat the security line before boarding starts. Then it happens. Something tiny you packed without thinking triggers extra screening. Your pulse jumps. Minutes disappear. And the trip that was supposed to start with excitement suddenly begins with tension. Welcome to *** before you fly ***, where smarter travel starts long before you reach the gate. Travel in 2025 looks familiar on the surface, but the expectations, and the gear that works best, have changed. Some items we once considered essential now slow us down, create friction at checkpoints, or simply don't match modern travel realities. So today, I'm walking you through 13 outdated travel items I no longer fly with, and what I use instead to stay calm, efficient, and comfortable. By the end, you'll know exactly what to retire from your packing routine and what upgrades make travel smoother, safer, and far less stressful. These small shifts can save time, protect your belongings, and help you move through airports with confidence. Let's get into it. Item 1. Anti-chafing tubes. Those classic anti-chafing gels and tubes seem convenient, but they're messy, bulky, and easy to forget once you're on the move. I've replaced them with lightweight slip shorts. They work like a second skin, prevent friction naturally, and eliminate sticky residue. You walk farther, sit longer, and explore more comfortably, without reapplying anything mid-trip. Item 2. Passport booklets. Decorative passport holders look organized, but at security they become an extra step you don't need. You'll be asked to remove your passport anyway, which turns a smooth checkpoint moment into fumbling under pressure. Instead, keep your passport in an easy-access pocket during screening. Afterward, store it in a secure zip pocket inside your bag. Add a digital and printed backup copy for peace of mind. Simple, fast, and stress-free. Item 3. Your everyday wallet. Daily wallets carry too much: extra cards, receipts, and personal data you don't need while traveling. They're bulky and harder to secure in crowded environments. Switch to a slim RFID blocking wallet that holds only essentials. Less bulk means quicker access, better awareness, and reduced risk of loss or theft. Item 4. Outdated power banks. Older portable chargers can overheat and draw unwanted attention during screening. Modern travel calls for next-generation power banks with temperature protection and certified safety standards. They're lighter, smarter, and designed with air travel in mind. Keep them accessible, not buried, so you're ready when you need power. Item 5. Shoulder duffel bags. Duffels may look stylish, but carrying weight on one shoulder through massive terminals drains energy fast. Rolling duffels or compact wheeled bags spare your back and make long airport walks effortless. Comfort equals endurance, and that matters on travel days. Item 6. Two-wheel carry-ons. Two wheels force you to drag luggage at awkward angles. Four-wheel spinner cases glide beside you in any direction, reducing strain and making tight airport navigation far easier. It's one of the simplest upgrades that instantly improves mobility. Item 7. Oversized makeup cases. Large toiletry kits invite overpacking and waste space. A modular pouch system keeps essentials separated and accessible without bulk. You bring what you actually use, nothing more, which simplifies both packing and unpacking. Item 8. Bulky spare shoes. Packing multiple heavy shoes eats luggage space quickly. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack one versatile backup option. Add supportive insoles if needed. You'll lighten your load without sacrificing comfort. Item 9. Ponchos and loose outerwear. Flowing layers snag on armrests, bags, and neighboring passengers. A fitted travel jacket or sweater keeps you warm without the constant adjustment battle. Movement becomes smoother, especially in tight airplane seating. Item 10. Low-support neck pillows. Not all travel pillows are equal. Many collapse when you need them most. A structured neck support pillow that stabilizes your head prevents strain and improves rest. Quality support turns long flights into recovery time instead of discomfort. Item 11. Bulky converters. Traditional voltage converters are heavy and often unnecessary. Dual voltage devices paired with a lightweight plug adapter handle most travel situations. Less gear, fewer worries, more suitcase space. Item 12. Large wired headphones. Oversized headphones tangle, take space, and add clutter. Compact wireless earbuds are easier to manage, lighter to carry, and ideal for cramped seating. Keep a backup option if you prefer, but minimize bulk whenever possible. Item 13. Hidden money belts. Traditional money belts force you to fumble under clothing, drawing attention in crowded spaces. A secure neck holder for documents plus smart card distribution in protected pockets keeps essentials accessible without obvious movements. Awareness and efficiency are your best defenses. Modern travel isn't about packing more, it's about packing smarter. Retiring outdated gear removes friction, protects your comfort, and keeps you moving confidently through every stage of the journey. When you replace bulky, inefficient items with streamlined alternatives, the airport becomes less stressful, checkpoints move faster, and your focus shifts back where it belongs, enjoying the trip. Small upgrades create a big difference. Travel lighter. Travel smarter. And most importantly, enjoy every moment before you fly.